Now, one of the things that we are seeing coming from Nio is that insurance registrations for the first week or full first week of December came in at 5,100. This made some of the Nio investors or retail investors to not trust anymore that Nio will sell over 30,000 deliveries. And hearing that 2 days ago, the Nio CEO came in and said Nio will still sell 30,000 this month or plus 30,000, it scrapes off the concerns of some of the investors that were worried on Tuesday after the insurance registrations. But now, here's the catch, or here's the good thing. There are some investors that were doubtful but are now positive after the comments made by the Nio CEO, and that is good, right? Now, with that, going on to Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, my prediction for Nio ONVO insurance registration figure is plus 6,000. This is what I'm expecting. You know that last week it was plus 5,000. This week I think they are going to get plus 6,000. And if they get that, I think we'll be headed in the right direction. I know people will say, no, 10,000, 8,000, but plus 6,000 I think is what we are going to get for this week on Tuesday under Nio, which will be so great, so amazing, so incredible, because we are still left with like almost 2 to 3 weeks where we'll be seeing the insurance registration coming from some of our favorite EV stocks. And I think we are going to gradually see insurance registrations going up or higher and higher as the week unfolds. This week it might be the plus 6,500. Next week it might be, for the very first time, maybe plus 8,000 insurance registrations. And that other week, maybe the last week, you might see Nio having total insurance registrations of plus 10,000. Who knows? But I think it's just going to gradually increase. So for me, plus 6,000, it will be good, so good for Nio, and it will be a very, very good positive sign, signaling that we could see Nio selling indeed plus 30,000 deliveries this year. But if we get a number lower than that, yeah, Nio will really need to work very hard. But again, insurance registrations don't reflect actual deliveries. But yeah, we'll wait to see. We'll wait and see how everything unfolds. But I am positive the fact that the Nio CEO came and said that they are going to sell 30,000, or they still see 30,000. So I am positive, I am bullish, I remain long, I remain strong onto Nio, and I want to trust what our CEO told us, and that is 30,000 they will still get it, or 30,000 they will get it, which is pretty good, pretty exciting, and we look forward to that. So yeah, man, tell me what you think. What's your prediction onto the insurance registrations? I know some of you guys will be saying you want 10,000, but I think we will get it maybe in the last week. That's what I believe. But for now, I think we are going to get figures still below 10,000, but Nio will still get the plus 30,000 deliveries which they want. By the way, they will have to get 30,449 to get to the lower side of their guidance of 72,000 vehicles, which I think if they do that, if they can deliver over 30,000 deliveries, I'm telling you, it's lights out, man. A lot of the investors or Nio investors would have started a year very well or Nio could started a year with a very good high note, which is what investors we want to see, which is what we all have been waiting to see. 2025 is going to be a massive year for Nio. It's going to be a very good year for Nio, and therefore even insurance registrations we see starting end of Q1, man, it's just going to be out of this world. I'm telling you, it's just going to be so crazy. And those that are jumping off boat, I think, yeah, I just hope they don't regret doing that in the future. But anyways, I'm not saying go and buy Nio, increase your holdings onto Nio, or sell your Nio stocks, but I'm just saying it's up to you, because I'm not certified or qualified to tell you that. But me, just looking at next year, man, I cannot wait. All I want to do is to load the boat, increase my holdings onto Nio, because I know that blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. So tell me what you think about this, man. I look forward to Tuesday insurance registrations because they might signal 30,000 that the Nio CEO reconfirmed on Thursday, which was good to see that coming from him during the session or the year-end session. So yeah, man, let's see how things unfold. Otherwise, like I said, don't forget to hit the likes button, comment, subscribe, because look, guys, it honestly takes me some time to make these videos and giving you every day, all day. It is something that I get motivations, or that I get some encouragement from some of the positive comments that you throw in, or that you bring comment on the videos I did, and also the likes that you give on the videos I make. So I would encourage you again to say that if you enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up, or subscribe. That's if you're a Nio follower, you want to know more about Nio. And also you can share with your friends, man, those that you think they might like this company. But again, anything I say here are just my opinions, but obviously I do some research here and there, and I give that research that I've done to you, and I give the research, or I say whatever I've researched or whatever I've read about Nio here, which is, by the way, the very same thing that I always recommend that as an investor or new investor you need to also do personally, because that gives you the comfort. It makes you not to panic sell during times where we are seeing the share price of Nio falling down quite sharply. When other people are complaining because of the share price, you will be taking the low trading price as opportunities to load the boat, increase your holdings, because you know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. So that's all from me, man. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.